Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook policy issues. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook policy issues, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop and you will click here OK. After that, in this page you will click and you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data here and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.